to show you the 2021 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.